Hi everyone, fall is coming and it's my favorite time of the year for makeup because I get to use those burgundies and those orangey shades and greens. If you want to learn how to make this fall look happen, please keep watching. We have our foundation, our concealer, and our powder just set. Because we're going to move on to the eyes, I like to get translucent powder and grab a beauty blender and put it under the eye to catch any fallout from the shadow. Okay, now we're ready. I like to use an eye primer before going in with any shadow. So I put it all over my lid. While I let that dry, I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. I'm using the It Brow Powder in, does it have the color? Oh, Universal Taupe. So right now I actually got my eyebrows done yesterday, and after they were threaded and plucked, they also did a tint on them, so they're kind of like already a really nice color, but I'm just gonna fill them in just a little more. Done. So since fall is coming, I wanted to start using my favorite colors to use on my eyes, and it's the perfect time. So I'm gonna go in with a blending brush. I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, this color right here. And put it in the crease of my eye. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this color right here and put it over the first color in the crease of my eye. Really blend it out. Now I'm gonna get a flat eyeshadow brush and go in with this beautiful green shimmer shadow. I'm also gonna spray it with a setting spray because I like wetting my brush when I use a shimmer shadow because I really feel like it applies better and it sticks to your lid and it doesn't start smudging everywhere throughout the day or night. I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this dark brown right here. So I'm gonna go in and put it in the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm gonna go in with this color right here, just a little bit, and I'm gonna put it in between where the green shimmer and the brown meet. Want to create a smooth, like really nice transition so that it looks super blended and beautiful. Now I'm gonna go in with this dark green and put it in the same area as the dark brown that I used. Try to stay with that green look. Putting it in the outer corner of my eye and blending it into the crease. Now I'm gonna get a clean blending brush and I'm just going to go over the outer edges of the eyeshadow and just make sure that it's all nicely blended. So now I'm gonna grab a pencil brush and I'm gonna dip it into the two colors that I used, this one and this one. And I'm going to put them under my eye. I'm also gonna go in with this dark green, but I'm going to grab an eyeliner brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that really close to my bottom lash line. I'm gonna grab that pencil brush again and go in with that dark brown color that I used before and really just put it at the end in the corner of my eye to really like blend it in with where the eyeshadow is over here in the outer corner and the bottom line. I'm also going to blend out the green and the other shades that I have down here, so it just like looks really nice and isn't just like a line. Now that we're done with the shadow, I'm going to dust off all this excess translucent powder that I have under my eyes in case there was any fallout. Now I'm going to grab a little mini Better Than Sex mascara that I have left over and let's put on some mascara. I also like to put a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes. You don't need to do this, but I absolutely love it. I love mascara. So I'm gonna go in with a MAC black eyeliner and put it in on my inner waterline on the bottom lash line. Just gonna add to the smoky and make it look darker and deeper. Now I'm gonna put on some lashes. You can totally skip this step, but I am obsessed with lashes and I think they really complete a look, so I'm gonna just put those on really quick. Ooh, these are so pretty. Wow, these eyelashes are beautiful. I've never used them before. I mean, I've used the brand, but I've never used this style before. These are Virago Babe eyelashes in the style Sasha. Now my eyelashes are done and I'm gonna move on to my face. So I'm gonna get a little bit of bronzer, bronze up my face a bit. Bronze up your neck and your chin area too. I'm gonna put a little bit of this MAC blush. It's very orangey and coralish and it's called Modern Mandarin. It's actually my favorite blush. It's my go-to because I think it's so pretty. But let's just put a little bit on your cheekbones. And I'm also going to grab from the Real Her Be Fearless, Be Limitless blush kit. I'm gonna grab Unstoppable and put it over top. To finish it off, I'm going to grab the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter called Rodeo Drive with my highlighter brush, and I'm going to put it only at the top of my cheekbones and only a little bit. That's good. Now I'll highlight just the tip of my nose. And I want to highlight my brow bone as well. I'm gonna go in with this corner shade here. Okay, now onto the lips. So to continue on with this fall look, I'm going to grab this BH Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the color Clara. Last but not least, I use a Makeup Forever setting spray. I don't even know why I do this. The flapping of the arms, I don't think it does anything, but... And this is the completed look. Okay, that's it.